Right, I've just gotten back in the car, and I've experienced a lot of cold weather in my time, but that is the coldest I've ever had. I had to use my camera briefly without my gloves on, and my fingers have almost fell off. They're so cold, but more than the cold is the actual pain, and the pain is just absolutely intense. So I came running back to the car, switched the engine on and put the heating on. I'm just going to gently warm them up, and then I'm going to head back and see if I can get this video put out. It's insane. It's insane, like unbelievable. I can't even describe how cold it is. It's ridiculous. It's just that bad. As you can see, it's fine now. It looks fine now, but before I got caught in another blizzard, hailstone and things like that, and it wasn't pleasant. Right, I've just made it back, and I'm in a lot less pain. me feet are like blocks of ice still, but my hand's not as bad. This one was terrible because I was holding the camera with this hand, and my thumb and my hand was just, it was indescribable, to be honest. That's the best way to say it. The storm that I was stuck in as well was basically like this one here. So you can imagine it was crazy. I'm glad to be back. I'll be even more glad once I'm in the house and got the fire on or something, you know, and warm those feet up. But it's been insane. That's the best way to describe it. I mean, they did say that it was weather that was similar to what they have in Siberia, so you know, it's been an experience, that's for sure. But yeah, it's crazy. I mean, the ice just hasn't melted at all from the windscreen or anything like that. It's just stayed there, and you can see there's just drifts of snow coming in constantly. So anyway, I hope you liked the video, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to get warmer. I'm probably going to have a hot chocolate because, like, it's just it's just freezing cold. It's insane. I might even have to walk the dog later on, maybe in about an hour or so, get that out of the way. But some extreme weather. Anyway, I'm going to go, so see you soon.